numbers 50, 15, 37, 50. I need you to climb to the top. I need the major. I need the minor. I need the mega. I need every M available to me. Alright, let's keep our poppage going. Keep it going. Riverwalk. This one's called Riverwalk, guys. Yes, 3 minis. We got us a mini party. Alright, that's 45 bucks. So what else can we spend to win here? Come on, baby, to the top. It's a $500 ball just popped up there. I need it. I need it. Three more to the 5, y'all. Now, come on, don't stop, baby. Save me, please. Anything, anyway. 111, save the girl. Dang it. But we got 5 minis, y'all. This is an old cabinet. The color isn't that great. $4. Come on, 2 more. Do it. Backups are complete, guys. Let's see if we can pop a bonus before 300. Come on, yes, and we did it. We're back in it, guys. Bring that $500 ball back. Bring it back. Alright, 2 minis on the board. Ooh, don't be done with us. Come on. Thank you. Bingo. Something. Oh, we broke $100. I didn't even think we were gonna make that. Okay, that's decent, very decent. 110 bucks. That sounded good on that backup, didn't it? Come on, free games. When you gonna give me the free games instead of teasing me? guys, that's it. I'm cashing this out. 403. You have watched Riverwalk, Ultimate Firelink. One of the old school cabinets, all that good stuff. These are the ones I still love the best. Bye guys. Don't forget to give us some like, love, thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below, and do all those good YouTube things. It really helps the channel to grow. And we appreciate you watching. Later. Guys, I didn't get up and leave. I'm in another bonus. And I wasn't going to even record it, but I decided to record it because the major has popped in at the top. We need 6 more to climb up there to get it. Now we need 5. We have 2 minis, which are 15 each. And we have a minor on the board for 50 bucks. Come on, baby. Pop it. Pop up in there. Come on, Firelink. Come on. Do it, do it, do it. Maybe I should have kept the camera down because I think this puppy is camera shy. We're gonna pop 200, yes. 250 is gonna give us the big win because we popped this 250. Nice. 253. Alright, back up. Oh, didn't it sound so delightful? One more. I was gonna stop it there at the 600, guys, but it's making me think it still wants to do more. I still haven't gotten the free games yet. Ooh, by yourself, really? Oh, where were you guys? They playing with me big time, y'all. They are toying. Come on, fireballs. Bring your friends. Pull, give me 4. 2 more. Come on, be there, free. Damn. Alright, guys. That's probably it for real this time. Bye. Alright. Here I go telling tales again. I'm still here, y'all. This is definitely my last bonus though, because I need to get up out of here. Oh, you see we got a $100 bar right there. Oh goodness, mini party. Oh, come on, breaking the glass. Let's keep it going. Break some more. Pop up in there. Come on. Don't be done so fast. Thank you. Come on. Yes. Break it open, baby. Come on. To the top. Let's get it. Come on. Get in there. Give me one. Yes. I like other words that begin with M too, if you want to drop them in. let it rest for 10 seconds. Come on. Give it a little 10-second rest. Let's see, we got 4 minis. That's $60. Sorry, we rested 10 seconds. Come on, let's do it. Yes. Okay. Come on. Pop, 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 pop. Come on. Get in there, get in there. Anything. Alright, let's give it another 10-second rest. Come on, that's $175. I know this screen is old, it's a little bit blurry. Or pixelated, I should say. Not blurry, pixelated. Alright, that should have been about 10 seconds. Pop, yes. Come on. 2 to the show, baby. 2 to the show. Come on. Pop in. Alright, come on. Pop in 1. Give me 1. Alright, another 10-second rest, guys. Let's see if that'll be the magic that we need to get this 175 at the top. Hopefully it is. Look at the progressives again. Okay, come on. Let's do it. Let's do it. Give us 1 here. 1, 1, 1. Hop in 1. Alright. Did work this time. Tickets at 7:16. Let's go. Let's back it up. Gives us enough for 2 more spins. Because I told y'all I gotta get up out of here. And I wasn't lying. I'm gonna do a 250. And I'm out. Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate you guys. Please, guys, don't forget to show us some love. Like this video. It helps to push our channel out to other viewers who will enjoy our content, our Ultimate Firelink videos, and everything else. Leave a comment below. We always respond. And if you care to join our membership, the Into-It Squad, for exclusive content, you can find all the information, the join button, all of that, right on our page, right in our channel bio. So check it out, guys. Thanks for watching again. Bye.